The Central Bureau of Communication Press Information Bureau, in collaboration with the Shillong Municipal Board, today organized a cleaning drive at Police Bazaar. The cleaning drive was attended by college students, BSF and CRPF personnel and local shopkeepers. Speaking on the occasion, Cabinet Minister A.L. Heck took pride in informing that cleanliness is traditional in each and every household in Meghalaya, asking people to take responsibility for keeping their surroundings clean.
In our own ancestral property, in our central house, we have all the houses in Shillong, they organized before we having the garbage truck distributing to the different localities. We used to have our own dumping place. Every house they keep clean, all the household waste, they are only dumped in one place, somewhere corner in the near of our own compound. After that, they burn all the waste for the gardening. So therefore, this is already there in our mind and our soul. This is our parampara and our tradition to keep always clean.
The Hinyao trap